says 720 meters. Felt like kilometers and kilometers. It feels a lot longer than the 700 meters. You okay, babe? Yeah. And Lainey fell. And she didn't want my help.
Are you okay?
So at the moment we're doing Jungle Track 3 in Palau Kapas or Kapas Island, and it seems to be a fairly easy walk so far. It's kind of easy to miss the entrance though. There's only a small sign there saying Jungle Tracking 3. A lot of mosquitoes in here, so I would advise spraying yourself with mosquito repellent and also wearing some reasonable shoes. So as you can see, pretty light tracking, pretty easy to follow with this rope guiding us around. I'd also advise bringing some water because it's bloody hot in here. Right, babe? Yeah. Okay, as for me saying it's light tracking, well, it is actually light tracking, but there are some obstacles in the way which probably fitter people would probably pass comfortably. Probably people who weren't as fit may not be able to do it. Sorry, babe? Birds. Oh, oh, seeds dropping, yeah, birds. Wow, talk about hot. You okay, babe?
Okay.
Okay, so we've come to a crossroad in the path. Seems like we're going to have to traverse down. This is not very big at all, it's quite small, but once again, something that someone who has a bad leg or hip or something probably isn't going to be able to do so well. You alright, babe? You want help?
No, fine.
Okay. Now you need help, don't you?
No, I'm fine.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But how can you climb?
Oh, climbing's easier. Don't worry.
Is this
Yeah.
free?
I know you got the tree to grab with. Okay. Cool. You alright?
Yeah.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So, cool?
Yep. Can you move?
You alright?
Yeah.
Need my help?
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll be fine.
Oh, it's pretty small. Very slow flying. You okay?
Yeah.
So the rope's over here, so we'll go over that side and go down it. Just be careful stepping down, okay? Yeah, I'm watching. Fine.
Yeah.
So this is obviously the most difficult obstacle so far. Pretty simple. Alright. You want to pass the bag down, babe?
Okay.
Cool. Just wait, I'll give you a hand. Okay, grab a hold. Down to that knot, yep. And you put down, hold on to the rope properly, babe. You need to hold on to the rope. You need to hold on to the rope, yep, that's it. Yeah.
I'm done.
We're coming to the end of Jungle Track 3. It's been yeah, quite a okay walk. At the end though, there's not really
Rubbish done.
anything spectacular. Perhaps I should get down and help you down, babe. Hang on.
I'm fine.
Okay. You right? Yeah, so as you can see, there's not really a lot here. It's kind of an anticlimax, but nevertheless, it was a good walk. Good to see the island. At the end of Jungle Track 3. That's where we came from. Not exactly the beach that we're expecting, but it's okay. And realistically, we'll probably have a very quick swim and then head back, because the other side of the island is much more preferable than this, that's for sure. Oops. Sorry? Current is just a little bit strong underneath. When you get out a little bit, I think it probably is, but where I am it's fine. And the track back, same back again, should be pretty simple. The whole track takes about, or for us it was about half an hour, maybe a little bit more. Going back we'll probably try and do it a little bit quicker, but the lady said it took about 2 hours, but I guess that's for someone who would have a little bit of trouble climbing up and down things. As you can see behind me, the beach, one last look. I found it quite a peaceful area. Obviously it's not the best area for swimming, and there's rubbish around, and they've had fires in here where they've burnt the rubbish, but I find it quite a peaceful area, mainly because there's no one else here, and you can have the place to yourself and just chill out. My wife didn't find it such a great area because she prefers sand and a beach you can lie on and those sorts of things. So I suppose each to their own. I'd recommend coming here, my wife wouldn't.